Spark plugs are an important part of your ignition system. It forces electricity to arc across a gap, just like a bolt of lightning. The spark it makes ignites the gas vapors, which in turn makes your engine go. Replacing your vehicle's spark plugs every so often is an easy maintenance procedure that can make your car run more smoothly and help your vehicle maintain its gas mileage. The majority of vehicles nowadays can easily function 100,000 miles on a set of plugs. On older model cars that don't use platinum spark plugs, the standard interval to change them is every 30,000 miles to maintain optimum fuel efficiency. Good indicators that yours could need replacing are a decrease in fuel mileage or acquiring engine misfires.
Cowboy Toyota. Schedule your service appointment online or give us a call today. We're located at 9525 East R.L. Thornton Freeway in Dallas.